Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra louder. So we start from the opening settings, then go to the sound and vibration and slide down to the sound quality and effects. Now just turn on the Dolby Atmos and tap on the equalizer. Now look which one is the loudest one and keep it selected. You can also check that you have any volume limit. Open the volume and click on this three icon and tap on the medium volume limit. Now if you have any limit, just turn it off. And this is the first method, but it is not enough for you. We can also try to download a volume speaker booster app like this one. This is the name of this application. So we have to now launch it, click no thank you 3 times and close this window. Now click OK. And how you can see, now you can increase and decrease the volume speaker booster by this little slider. If you want to turn off this app, just tap on the stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.